According to the legends, this realm, called the Mediterranean by Turks and Bahri Sefid by Arabians, is a monster that devoured the crowns of such great kings and so many mighty thrones of sultans. Even Rome's great Kaiser Caesar had fallen into the pirates' hands and was imprisoned as a galley slave. Even the cavalrymen, who came from the far end of the ancient world on horseback, riding high in the saddle, had to face the relentless surges. However, they never accepted this place as the root of evil, but as the bosom of a mother. One by one they conquered the fortresses of this place, which they would later call the Aegean Sea. Lesbos was one of those conquered fortresses. One of the soldiers who fought for their cause settled there. He had 4 sons. The ones who couldn't see the truth said, "How can 4 sons deal with this sea, which devoured thousands of kingdoms?" They shouldn't have. The 4 brothers who sailed through the storm of evil calmed the cataclysms, chained the thunderstorms, and left their mark on the seas. The seas which defeated many kneeled before them. They shed their blood in the sea. They became blood brothers with the high tides.
The one who sailed into the Mediterranean first was called Barbaros.
Years later, 2 brothers were known by the name Barbarossas. Yet there was still time for them to become pirates and sultans in this sea. The uncharted story of the famous legend had just begun.
Reef the sails in immediately!
The captain has been suffering ever since we set sail.
I have told him thousands of times, Polyester is the remedy, but he never listens.
He wanted me and I said I'll do it. And so now it has become my duty to be the captain on top of guarding the cargo. Valiant Levents. I have never lied to you before. I have never sent you to face danger without leading you myself. And I will be honest with you again today. The waters are calm, but shallow. Our duty is heavy, as is our cargo. Our goal is to survive the pass, but there may be a great battle ahead of us as well. There are 3 types of people. First, we have the kings. Then the ones who tremble before the kings. And lastly, those whom the kings fear. Thank Allah that we have never really been afraid of anything. My hearties, those who stand in our way, whether they are thugs or even kings, they will all fear us. Now may our oath be our fate.
May our oath be our fate. May my life end serving you.
May our oath be